Hello everyone, it's me again, Irini Takushi, and this video is about how to manage personal liability when starting a business. So let's take a look on the legal side of our topic. There are some steps you need to follow in order to set up a business. Among the others, one of the first and most important things you have to do is to wisely choose the type of company your business will have. In Greece, basically, there are two types of companies. On the one hand, we have capital or limited companies, and by that we mean the limited by share companies. In Greek, we call them anonymous εταιρείες, ΑΕ, and private capital companies. In Greek, we call them ιδιωτικές κεφαλαιοχικές εταιρείες, οίκε. On the other hand, we have partnership companies. In Greek, we call them omicron epsilon ομόρθμες εταιρείες and epsilon ετερόαριθμες εταιρείες. The reason we separate companies is because participation in each one has different consequences. So I will make a brief description about them. A limited by shares company is the most important company type because it's suitable for all kinds of investments. One good thing about this company is the very limited liability of owners and members for the company's debts. However, it needs a big capital to get started. Then we have private capital company, and I think it's the best alternative to limited by shares company because it's very cheap to incorporate, very flexible in terms, and the most significant thing about it is the very limited liability of owners and members for the company's debts. Finally, partnership companies don't need for a capital, but members have unlimited liability for company's debts. Therefore, if someone wants to set up a business with no or limited liability, then he has to wisely choose the form of the company. In my personal opinion, private capital companies are the most suitable to do so. So that was my presentation and the legal side of our topic. Thank you.